Hey guys, we're back at it again. Chaos Day, Windstorm, video 2. A dust storm. There's a widespread dust storm, and oh god, that's sudden, Cross. That's sudden. Oh god, not this again. Oh god, whoa, god. I can't see. Ow, my eye. Dusk. I can't see the dust. Yeah, this day is supposed to be named the Day of Chaos. Here we go again. Oh, that's big. Okay, not big as the last one, but it's gonna get way stronger in a couple of hours. So we're gonna do it in video 3 soon. And there's literally blowing stuff. These logs could get out of shape. Are they stuck to each other? No. The logs could blow away if possible. If the wind goes this way, that's when we might get the logs too. Oh my god. Them winds. My gosh. This is insane. Borderline Chaos Day. The dust storm is still there. Looks like more like smoke. Maybe a fire could have started up. There's low humidity. It's either dust or fire. We'll see, guys. See more on Joey the Gamer Chaser 1099. Bye, guys.